discovered UX from speaking to a recruiter about my career path. And after I'd taken some time off to spend with my newborn son, I was really interested in a more exciting, fun, engaging career path. And so after doing some more research, I discovered that UX checked a lot of those boxes for me once I was getting back into the workforce. So I didn't realize how much I loved research until I started to explore UX more and just the different types of research that you're able to do as a UX designer, such as engaging with your actual users, doing usability testing, doing card sorts, just kind of getting out there and getting close to your user. For me, that was missing from my work with graphic design. And I mean, there's tons of things you can do and avenues you can take with graphic design. But for me, that was missing. And just truly having an impact with the work that I did versus, creating a flyer or a poster or something like that. And people see it, they like it, but that's kind of, where it stopped. So